Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into Confidence Reloaded. So today we have a special video. We have an unboxing and it's a special one. Like I said, KoreEssentials sent me out a product for me to review. Before I go any further, I just want to let you all know I've been a customer of Kore for a few years now. I do own one of their leather EDC belts, which I will go ahead and show you right here. I do own the leather EDC belt. So I was super excited to receive this package because it gives me an opportunity to try out another product of theirs that I haven't had an opportunity to before. I trust their products. I recommend their products to my students when I'm teaching classes and when I have my one-on-one private coaching sessions as well. So like I said, I was super excited to get this package and super excited to do this collaboration. So we are going to open this together and I'm going to show you exactly what I got. So when you get your package, nice KoreEssentials branded box. Got a little hanger there for my belt. Cute. They give you stop. Please read before you cut. So this is going to be very important for you to read so that way you know how to cut your belt. Make sure you read through this because once you cut your belt, and if you cut it too short, guess what? That's on you. You can't get that extra sizing back. So yeah. Little Allen wrench with some screws for when you put it together. Have this little elastic piece there. Let's see, which one did I get? I know which one I got, but you're gonna see it. So I chose the black multicam, the black camo. Why? Because I'm a camo girly. So, and to me it looks even better in person. But this is what it looks like. Very nice. It's very sturdy. So this is what you get. And this is what the inside of it looks like. For those of you that are not familiar with KoreEssentials. But yeah, it looks really good. And the buckle that I chose is the X6 buckle. Just something to go with the design of the belt that I chose. And this one has their little button system as well. So yeah, I am excited to use this and review it and all that good stuff. So the one thing about this belt, as I showed you on the inside here, this is their micro adjust track system. So with that, it allows you to either loosen or tighten the belt in increments of 1/4 inch. So that's something that's patented. That's something that is sewn into every belt. So when you are adjusting it with that button system that's built into the buckle, this is how you can get that perfect fit right there. Also, the foundation of their belt, they use a reinforced power core center. That's extremely important because it allows the belt to hold its shape. When you have your EDC set up, your firearm, you want to make sure that it's not sagging, it's not drooping or in any way. So that system that they have, that reinforced power core center, allows the belt to stay in place. You see how firm this is? It's not bending at all. So you want your holster and your firearm to be able to stay in place. So that system that they have, which is the foundation, is going to allow it to stay close to your body, meaning your firearm, and not droop in any way. So that's extremely important. They use best-in-class materials, which would allow for extended durability. Like I said, I had my leather EDC belt for a few years now, I have little to no signs of wear, and it's holding up rather well, to be honest. So that's why I was super excited when I had the opportunity to collaborate with Kore, because I'm already familiar with their products and I know that they have great quality products. So they use top grain leather, full grain leather, tactical nylon, licensed multicam nylon, carbon fiber, and Amertech. And all of their gun belts are lined with a super fiber inner layer that's extremely durable, and it's water and sweat resistant. And like I said, the belts use layers, so that accommodates that micro adjustable track system, which is really important. One thing to note, they do offer, besides, this is a 1.5 inch EDC belt, by the way. Besides this, they do offer other sizes that are larger than this. So if you want a 1.75 inch, 2.25 inch, things of that nature, all of that can be found at www.KoreEssentials.com. One thing to note as well, depending on the style belt that you choose, it can hold your gear up to 4 pounds or up to 8 pounds. So depending on the style, it'll determine the weight that you can carry in your gear. The belts. Now you're probably wondering, like, how do the sizes run? The sizes are one size fits most. So that would be 24 inches up to about 54 inches, but they do have extended sizes. So that would be up to 72 inches, depending on the style that you choose. And I'm not going to show it on today's video, but there is a way that you can actually cut it down to get your perfect fit. But today's video was more so the unboxing, so you can see what I got to announce the official collaboration between Confidence Reloaded and KoreEssentials, and to let you know that if you are in the market for your first EDC belt, KoreEssentials is the brand to try out, because very good quality, very reliable, and you won't be disappointed. Or if you currently own KoreEssentials and you're looking to add to what you currently have, guess what? You know, I got to hook you up. If you use Confidence Reloaded 10 at checkout, you can save a couple of dollars. See, you know I got to look out for y'all. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? All right, have a super blessed and awesome day.